So whether you've got a long beard, a short beard, a black beard, a gray beard, any kind of beard whatsoever, chances are you're going to run into a common problem that is flyaway hairs sticking out of the sides of your beard. Now this is common with pretty much any beard out there because shorter beards don't have the length of the hair that weighs the hair down and keeps it in check, but longer beards also have hairs that don't really mesh well with each other and they kind of jut out from the sides and cause your beard to look a bit disheveled, maybe unorderly, and ultimately it's just a problem that every bearded person wants to fix. So today here at Full Grooming, we're going to show you how you can manage and tame your wild beard hair, and we're going to show you how to do it without having to trim your beard at all. And you can do this for short beards, long beards. It just works with all shapes and sizes. So let's get into it. So first things first, in order to tame any wild beard hair, you're going to need two basic products. One of them is going to provide the hold that your hair needs to stay in place, and the other one is going to let you style and push that hair and shape it the way you want. When it comes to providing the hold that you need in order to shape and style your hair and to keep all those flyaways together and orderly in your beard, you're going to need a somewhat thick beard product that provides a lot of hold. You have two main options here. You can either choose Beard Balm or Beard and Mustache Wax. Now Beard and Mustache Wax is going to be the stronger and provide the stronger hold of the two products, but it doesn't provide any kind of hydration or health benefits to your beard. Now Beard Balm is typically less viscous than like Beard and Mustache Wax is. However, because of this, it often contains a lot of the oils that your beard needs in order to stay hydrated, healthy, and soft. But because it's less viscous and because it can be absorbed into your beard more easily, it's not going to provide the kind of hold for the amount of time that Beard and Mustache Wax will. So whichever product you choose kind of comes down to whether you need some of that hydrating and health benefits for your beard. And chances are, if you already have like the single most common beard product out there on the market, which is beard oil, then you can kind of get away with not needing Beard Balm because you can just apply the oil before you apply the wax, and then you have the hydration and the health benefits you need, as well as the styling benefits that you need. However, if you just want one easy product that does it all, you have to worry about oiling your beard and waxing your beard. You just want something that's kind of the perfect blend of both of them, so you can just apply it once and then you're done, then Beard Balm is going to be the way to go for you. Now secondly, you're going to need some kind of tool in order to shape your beard and get it exactly the way you want it. Now the two tools that you probably have available to you that are super common in the beard grooming marketplace is a beard brush and a beard comb. Now both the brush and the comb are super popular items, but the length of your beard does make a difference here. For example, if you have a longer beard, chances are you're going to want to go with the beard comb. Why? Well, the bristles on a beard brush are much softer than the tines on the beard comb is. So if you have a longer beard that's really prone to tangles, chances are the bristles on the beard brush are just going to kind of flex and loop around those tangles instead of actually getting rid of them. The tines on the beard comb, however, are stiff enough to really dig through your beard, get those tangles loose, and get your beard some shape when you combine it with something like Beard Balm or Beard and Mustache Wax. Now if you have a shorter beard, then chances are you're going to want to use a beard brush. Why? Well, typically shorter beards aren't as prone to tangles, so you really don't need to dig in there as much. And typically shorter hairs are easier to style with a beard brush because the brush bristles can actually loop around those shorter hairs and align them more easily. For example, I always use a beard brush. In fact, I usually never have to use any kind of comb or anything like that, just because this does the trick for my shorter beard hair. But I would say that if you have consistent beard hair that's typically longer than maybe an inch or so, then you will probably find a comb pretty useful. Okay, so now after we've talked about what you need and you probably have your supplies ready to go, let's talk about exactly how you can control your beard without having to trim or anything like that, just using these products I mentioned. Well, it's super easy. Firstly, all you need to do is scrape out the appropriate amount of Beard Balm or Beard and Mustache Wax, depending on how long your beard is and really how much you need, and begin rubbing it through your hands and melting it all down before you start applying it to your beard. Once you do, and once you make sure that that Beard Balm or Beard and Mustache Wax is super even throughout your beard and that all your hair is pretty much coated well. And remember here, if you're using beard oil in combination with beard wax, you want to apply the oil first and then maybe wait about 5 to 10 minutes just so it has time to soak in before you cover it with that wax. That just makes sure the wax doesn't get kind of blended in with that beard oil, so the wax is actually going to stay on more efficiently than if it was diluted with that beard oil beforehand. So then actually once you're done applying everything, all you have to do is take your beard brush or your beard comb and start shaping your beard exactly the way you want. It's super simple process. You probably already guessed how it all works. But these products really do work their magic when it comes to not having to trim your beard in order to get your beard tidy. So ultimately you can see as I was applying those two products to my own beard, the kind of difference it made. So thank you guys for watching this quick little video. Hopefully you gathered some knowledge on the kind of beard products that were available to you in order to help you manage those wild beard hairs. And if you're curious about the products I used, why I enjoy those products, I link each product I mentioned in the description, as well as a ton of Volt blogs that you can go and check out and read more about each one of these products. So if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe. We've got a ton more videos from a ton of awesome content creators coming out for you, and you're not going to want to miss them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.